good with this sugar water. Keeps everybody calm. Go to the bottom. Gotta take off the cover.
Now just pull it right here.
Next thing we do is get our can out, which can be a little tricky. Come on, baby.
Here. Get the other side up a little bit. Can you get it?
And the queen is attached.
To the can?
No, she is. Whoa. Okay, like I said, sometimes it can be tough to get it out. We'll put that down. We gotta take our queen out. It off.
Take it off this side.
All right, we want to make sure she is in there and good and healthy. This one isn't marked, but I see it's the bigger bee. She looks fabulous. So we're gonna put her to the side. We're not gonna poke the hole yet until we know that we're ready to put our bees in. Gonna give my bees another thump. Take off the thump them down. Stop pouring them in the house. And you gotta roll it around. And there's something in here. I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna give it another thump with the hole open. And if you're lucky, they roll out. One more thump. And we'll just put this down. They don't usually all come out of the package. And then we're gonna get our queen and our nail, which is in here. Or it was. Oh God.
Right here.
Well, thank you. All right, now there's a big old candy end. We got to take the stopper out of the candy end. There it is. And then we're going to carefully, we want to make sure the queen is away. We don't want to poke her. All right. We got our hole. We want to make sure it's all the way. Yep, we're good to go here. We're gonna take our beautiful queen. Oh, I forgot to put the floor on. I need my bee brush. Okay. So we've got our bees in here. And we gotta put our floor on. We're gonna put the floor upside down because we're gonna invert this box. All
Is it
right.
upside down?
Yeah.
Look, it's okay.
We got our. Let's make sure we got all our bees out of the way. All right, now here comes the tricky part. I gotta flip this over.
You want me to do it?
Sure. And you're gonna
Okay.
flip it over, and it's gonna go right over the hole. So you put your hands underneath the bee bottom. No.
Yeah.
No. Your hand underneath the bottom. You gotta put your hand underneath, or you're gonna drop the floor. Here, sweetie, let me do it.
Oh, I got you.
Put your hand underneath. There you
Sweep them.